Hey, check, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make this CI bracket with the NX Siemens CAD software. Okay, we are going to this NX Siemens. Click twice and then click new, and then you give the name 3.11 CI bracket, and then enter. Already exists. I will edit the name -e. Okay, I'm going to snipping tools. I will draw from this, then extrude. After that, drawing this. Okay, first select sketch, click this. Okay, and then just the profile from this to this, this and this. Okay, after that you define the dimension. The dimension is 19. Double click 19, enter, and then the long is 100. Click on this and then give 100, enter. After that, give dimension 63. Click repeat dimension from this to this. Okay, after that you also give this dimensions 6. Click on this from this to this, and then give 6, enter. Sketch is fully constrained. Okay, I will make this. Just this profile, this to this and this. Then click this line, just this vertical. After that, the dimension twice. Click on this, double click, and then 19 plus 19, enter. After that you define the height from this to this, or from this to this is 76. Click this line to this line, 76. 76 is from this to this. I will delete this. From this to this is 76. Enter. Okay, after that you must make the radius. This is 19. From this to this is 19, enter, then close. After that I will delete this line. Okay, or undo your command. sketch is fully concerned with one auto dimensions. Okay, you check on this. You must coincident from this point to this point, just the coincident. Okay, sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, and then going to the geometric view. After that, you just extrude, select this line, and then define the dimension. The dimension is 45, and then apply. After that, you will double click on this, and then the value is 0, enter, and then click OK. After that, I will extrude this. The thickness is 19. Extrude 1, and then this is 0, enter, and then this is 19. Click OK, apply, then cancel. After that, I will make this radius. The radius is 19. Click the edge plane. After click the edge plane, you must going this edge, also this edge, and give the dimension 19. After that, click apply, and then also for this is 19. Apply. Okay. After that, you must make a ribs like that. The thickness is 10. Okay. I will sketch in this box, so I will going to sketch on this, and then okay. After that, I'm going to make this line from this point to this. Okay, already tangent. Click the quick trim, and then trim this. For this to this, for this to this. Okay, going to project curve, select this, and then apply. After that, close, then going to this project geometry, right click, and then convert to reference. Okay, after that, finish sketch, going to the more, and then use this rib. Select curve, you must select this curve. Okay, target cannot properly open, but okay. Going to the asymmetric view, and then like this, and then give 10. Okay, click apply, and then cancel. Okay, the ribs is already done. After that, I will make this and this hole. Okay, first I will make sketch on this, then click OK. After that, click this, then make like this and make like this. Okay, and then click this line, make like this, make like this, and then you must select this one to this one, select this one to this one, and then click tangent. Select this one to this one is tangent. Okay, select this one to this one, and then tangent. Okay, this one to this one, select tangent also. After that, you must give the dimension. The dimension is 13. Going to the rapid dimensions, click this line, and then fill your dimension 13, enter. After that, you must give the dimension also 19. Click this rapid dimension from this center point to this center point is 19, enter, and then trim from this this line, also this line and this line. Click close. After that, you must give the stripe like this in the center. You can move after that like this, and then going to the rapid dimension from this to this is 19. After that, you also give, okay, this is good. Select the rapid dimension from this is 19. Enter, then close. Sketch is fully constrained. I will going to the trimetric view and then finish sketch, and then going to the extrude this direction, and then I choose the subtract. Okay, apply, and then cancel. After that, I'm going to sketch on here, and then okay. After that, click this, to this. Okay, the diameter is 20. Double click and then 90. Okay, for the tip of this hole, the dimension is 6. Then finish sketch, going to this trimetric view, and then choose this extrude, select this line, reverse direction, and then give the dimension of tip. Okay, like this, and then apply, then cancel, sketch this again, and then okay. After that, you can choose this from this to this, dimension is 10. Okay, going to this rapid dimension, select this circle and then give 10. Enter, and then close. After that, you are going to the finish, going to the trimetric view, and then extrude like this, and then reverse the direction, and then select value through all. Okay, after through all, you can click apply and then cancel. Okay, your model is already down. After that, I'm going to the view, going to the show and hide and sketch and datum, and then I'm going to render to change the color. Okay, like this. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share and subscribe my video, and like or dislike. And if you wanna request some another software to make part modeling, you can fill on your commentar column. Thank you. See you on the next video.